Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save and share Capcut project. You want to enter into your Capcut, and then this is our project. So this is the project you want to save and share. All right. So what I'm saying is you want to share this project with the effect. All right. So once you share it to other people, they can also change this effect. They can also select this effect and delete it themselves. So what you want to do is you want to go to menu, okay, settings, and right here, as you can see, save to. This is a virtual draft, so this is where it's going to save to. So we want to find this folder right here. You want to make sure you want to find this folder on your PC. So users the PC app data, okay. So all right, so as you can see here, users limited PC app data local Capcut user data project. All right, so this is our file. So back to Capcut. All right, so which one is it? IV editor.draft. IV editor. So this is our file. So once you locate the file, then you want to check the name of the project 08274. So 08274. all right here. All right, so if you right click and see the properties, as you can see, it's just 58 kilobytes. All right, so now you just cancel, then we move back to project, then you come over here to modify, then you want to check this copy to media project right here. All right, then you save. As you can see, it's moving all the materials of the video that was 5 kilobytes. It's moving all the materials, and now it's 8 GB. Right. So once that is done, we go back to project folder again, and then we check the properties. So as you can see, the properties is now 8 GB. So it has put all the effects and everything we put in the video. Now if we share this file to someone else, they can also operate and change the effects from their PC, whatever. Okay, so then we press OK. So to make it easier to send, now coming back here, you can just copy this folder somewhere. Like you can just copy it to a folder, profile, new folder. Let's just copy it here. Okay, so now you can easily share this folder. You can also change the folder name. Okay, so once you send this folder out for the person to be able to use it, you want to go back to Capcut, and then you want to go to menu, settings. So this, you want to copy this link right here. You want to copy it and send it to whoever wants to use the clip. So all we have to do is just find this folder and then copy the file and paste it there. So let's find the folder. All right, so Capcut draft. Okay, so just paste. All right, so you just paste the folder into the Capcut projects folder. All right, this is our folder. Now back to Capcut. So cancel, then you close the app. All right, so as you can see, we have a new project here. So this is effect to send out the project. So if you click on it, all right, the effect is gonna be there, and then you can edit the effect however you like. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.